this is Matt and this will be a video on how to download Google Drive. So I'm right here on the main Google Drive downloads page. You can find it right here. That is quite a mouthful of a URL. So I will include this link in the video description just below this video so that you can click on that link and you'll wind up on this page. You don't need to go searching or typing in any long URLs or anything. So we've got the download button here, so whether you're on PC or Mac, and then we also have the App Store version that you can click on right here, and it's also available on Google Play as well, of course. So what we can do is we can just click on this big blue button for download Drive for desktop, and just like that you can see that the icon went flying up there in the top right. That's the universal symbol on a Mac for the file actually being downloaded to the downloads location. I'm on Google Chrome on my Mac, so the default location for the downloads, files and folders is the downloads, the main downloads folder. Depending on your browser, your downloads location might vary, but you will find the installer in the downloads location. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Google Drive useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like that.